Hi guys! Today I will explain about how to buy the subscription of 11 Labs. This process will be simple and easy. The first thing is head over to 11 Labs website. This one is the main interface of website. Now time to purchase the subscription. If you take a look at the left bottom, you will see your account, and here you can see an arrow. Click on this arrow and tap on this option subscription. Scroll down. My current subscription is for Creator Plan, and as you can see, it's for $22. But if you don't have any subscription and want to purchase new subscription, here you will see the option of upgrade like this one. I can also upgrade my plan. If I click on this option, then my Creator Plan will be transferred to Pro. So it's up to you which plan you want to buy. If you scroll down, here are some more plans, but the cost of these plans is very high. Scroll up and here, choose your plan. And also you need to add your payment method by which you can pay to 11 Labs. Once you've done, come here and purchase the subscription. If you want to use 11 Labs yourself, click down the link in the subscription to help support our channel. And it was the way by which you can get 11 Labs subscription.